Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Here is our iron, and I'm going to load it with 3 random colours. Green, I'm going to put that at the bottom. Really doesn't matter what colours you use. Blue and red violet. So the iron is full. I've got my iron turned just above the normal temperature setting, just a little bit above. Oh, that green's a little bit wrong, but never mind, it's just a little splodge. Rest your iron on, push it all the way through in one nice fluid. That's alright, that's not bad. So the green, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean up the iron a little bit with a bit of tissue. Take them colours off. Take the same green again. I'm just going to darken that green up just by running over it again. So I've now stood the design in a portrait manner, and I'm going to tilt the iron on its side and drag the iron through like a saw, creating lines of all different widths, and I'm just going to keep spinning the card. And just chop in and out. And it makes no difference if they go all the way through or whatever. Anyone that's been on one of my workshops or done one of my online workshops with me, you'll have done very similar patterns with me. So the colours are all chopped up. Okay, so we end up with something like that. And what we do is we decide which way around we want it. I'll go for this darker way because it'll make the pathway easier to show you, and you'll have seen me do paths before. Think of your iron as a stiletto heeled shoe. So point down, up like a stiletto heel shoe, and twist, and then start cutting left and right. So you're just applying gentle pressure really, and then get slightly wider as you come out of the picture. I just want to go a little bit more. It's fine, you can go over it as many times as you want. The more times you go over it, the more you'll clear. And then little tiny lines, keeping them vertical to the card. Keeping them parallel to that card. Works really well. An abstract pattern with a pathway, as requested. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.